Okay, we are living in a world where you don't just have one job anymore, right? You don't just wear one hat. People have side hustles. They have a few different jobs, multiple revenue streams. And back in the day, when you had one job, it was easy to carry around a business card and be like, here's what I do, here's how you can work with me. But things are a little more complicated than that. So, Jauntboards is the platform that's going to replace the business card for the future worker. Okay, so if you could imagine being out in public, people ask you what you do, you text them or DM them a link to your jaunt board. Here, they can explore all the different ways that they could hire you. So, for instance, I just got access to jaunt boards and I've been playing around. These aren't even services that I'm currently personally providing. I just wanted to illustrate what this could look like. So, for instance, maybe I offer business consulting. I am a CEO of an agency and a tech startup. I've got some value that I could provide to people who are in those spaces. So maybe I do some consulting. Maybe outside of business, I just, do a little bit of life coaching. I'm a big personality nerd, trained up in Myers Briggs and Enneagram. I love that stuff. So maybe I offer that on the side. Heck, maybe I even do Reiki. Okay, so actually, I'm not a Reiki master. But if I were, I just wanted to demonstrate the range in which you could pull in here, right? So you can imagine someone's like, Reiki, what's that? They could click into my process. They could really kind of explore from me what that looks like. I could attach resources to help explain what it is. Maybe actually film me doing it so they can, like feel good about hiring me before they ever do. And then, as always, I am just an eternal creative director. I can't help it. So maybe I just put that out there. If there's ever an interesting project, I am here for hire. So that's just an example of what a jaunt board could look like for you. But it's a really, really good way for you to just start to put yourself out there, allow people a platform to explore all of you, and to kind of get a sneak peek as to if they were to hire you to do this thing or to learn from you so they could do this thing themselves. Jauntboards is going to be a peek into what it would look like to work together. Way more valuable than handing out a business card.